Welcome to Silver Mountain School of Hotel Management, Nepal's first teaching hotel school, where passion meets profession. Here, we don't just teach hospitality, we live it. Experience hands-on learning in our coffee lab, wine lab, kitchen, housekeeping, and front office, all designed to shape future hospitality leaders. With international degrees from Queen Margaret University, UK, and expert faculty guiding your journey, your global career starts right here in Kathmandu. Provisional admissions are now open for BAIHTM and BAICA programs. Secure your spot and take the first step toward a world-class hospitality career. Join the legacy, learn, grow, and lead with Silver Mountain. Chat with us today or scan the WhatsApp QR to connect instantly.